be careful when you put your baggage on the overhead rack, as it may fall. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train. Hazardous items are prohibited on stations and trains. If you notice any suspicious item or behaviour, please notify staff immediately. In case of emergency, please notify train crew via the emergency phone or the SOS button. While in the car, we ask that you switch your mobile phones to silent mode. Thank you.